Hello, thank you so much for coming to the open house at Westboro Middle School. I'm Mrs. Epperson. I'm the algebra lead and geometry teacher at Westboro. I wanted to go over a little bit about myself. I have a bachelor's degree in mathematics from University of Houston downtown. I have my website, and I'll also post a copy of this presentation in the Teams chat. All right, my Twitter is Miss Epps WBMS. I'm going into my fifth year teaching. Some of the personal things about that I love that are outside of teaching. I love running, cycling, anime, reading, and of course, I love mathematics. I really appreciate you coming. At the end of the day, the most important, overwhelmingly key to a child's success is the positive involvement of you, the parents, or the guardians. Jane Hull is the quote for saying that. How to get in touch with me. Conference time is anytime Monday through Friday, 2 to 2:55 p.m. My email address is shown on the PowerPoint presentation, also a phone number. My Remind 101 is PRT22WB. Some of the Westboro informations for the academic expectations. Grizzlies must pass with a 70 or higher to receive the high school credit for algebra or geometry. I do strongly recommend that we work on the students having a 75 or higher. 70 shows little to no mastery in the subject. Algebra and geometry will take a midterm and a final exam. This exam will count for 10% of each cycle or semester average. So as split out shown below, cycle 1, 2, and 3 are 30% each, and the midterm is 40%. Cycle 4, 5, and 6 are 30% each, and the final exam is 10%. Okay? Some of the academic and social supports that I provide and Mrs. Shaw provides for the students. We have tutorials every other Wednesday, 4 to 5. I also have a team set up for them specifically for tutorials. Students can join the channel 4 to 5 or they can also come in person. I've also set up a specific channel for these students to ask questions regarding homework or even a subject that they can just ask openly in the tutorials teams channel. And either myself, Ms. Shaw, or even other students can help that student with that problem that they are having. Additionally, I have videos that I share on my website, Mathmeotics. I also have teams organized out showing the videos and other problems, and additionally, weekly newsletter. The weekly newsletter is also really important because it goes over a snapshot of what's happening in above or ahead. Additionally, it also tells some of the main assignments that they're going to have and when they're due in that week. Grizzly Values, integrity, respect, and perseverance. I'm very big on my students asking for help if they need it. If a student doesn't ask for help, I can't always know if they need the help. So if you, the guardian or parent, see your Grizzly struggling and needing that help, please come to me and let me know. Okay? Again, that goes into staying involved. Check their math homework. Ask if they are understanding what they're working on in math. If they are understanding, ask them what it is that they're working on. Right now, we're working on equations, multi-step equations with variables on both sides. So ask them, are they getting that? Are they understanding that? How well did they do on the last test that we had last week? Check HSD Connect, ensure that they're not missing any assignments. If the Grizzly expresses issues with an assignment, it is their responsibility to let me know. I am happy to help them with that topic during tutorials via Remind or email. If they have a problem with a specific question, they can shoot me an email and I will do whatever I can to assist them. Patience, problem solving, professionalism, and flexibility. That's what is expected of me. Please contact me in one area. I personally prefer email. It's best for keeping organized and responding. Please allow for me to have 2 business days to respond. So if I don't immediately respond, I ask that you do not email me again. Lastly, I wanted to cover the STAR. Algebra students are expected to receive high school credit to successfully pass the STAR AOC. That means they must at least approach the guidelines. There is a STAR evaluation in December. This is not the end of course STAR. It's like a practice exam. STAR EOC will be held in May 2022. More information on the STAR can be obtained by the website HSD STAR. It is important to note Algebra STAR is a promotional STAR, meaning they must pass in order to graduate high school. Geometry students will take the 8th grade math STAR, and a lot of those topics do align with geometry topics. It's just a little bit more easier on their end. All right. Now, I know that you have specific questions that you may ask in regards to your Grizzly. I ask that you go ahead and hold off those questions for either a personal email. Again, you can email me and contact me. My contact information, again, let me go ahead and put that up on the screen so you can have that readily available. Again, those are my contact, and I'm going to put a copy of this PowerPoint presentation in the chat. Keep this one-on-one. If you have a general question, by all means, I will be more than happy to answer those questions. And I hope to see you and hear from you. I know it's going to be a wonderful year, and I will do everything in my power to make sure that your Grizzly is successful in algebra or geometry. Thank you so much for coming. I am now ending this video. Please come back to the channel, and if you have any questions, you may ask them at this time. Thank you.